So when you receive a ticket on the platform and while processing it, remember this ID, the user ID 1162, come to crm.24geeks.com and then provide your credentials which you have received and then log in. After that, come to create contact, and then here, for example, John Smith, and then in the description field, put user ID colon 1162. This is extremely important, okay? You should do it like this. User without a space, then ID, and then colon, and then one space, and then 1162. This number comes from your geek panel from here, 1162. So for this ticket, it would be 1174. For this ticket, it would be 1161. So why do we do this? This database is called CRM, Customer Relationship Management Database. We want to tie these two records together programmatically via this field. So this field is extremely important. Okay, this is important, but why do we want to store the information? For retrieving it later and then utilizing this information, both for yourself and for the company as a whole. Now, if you save it, and next time if you want to search this, for example, you come from here, you want to search the CRM record of this specific ticket, you come on your CRM, you click on the search, and then you just type 1162, the user ID. And then you get John Smith. Oh, earlier I did another example, so ignore John Doe. John Smith, and then you click on it, and then you get all the information. For example, if in the last call you spoke with him and then you had to take their phone number, you have to put the phone number there and mobile or office phone. But please try not to be so picky when you're asking for their phone number or for their first name or last name. So if in some cases some people tell you only their first name or only their last name, you could put just a dash here in the last name. So because it's a required field and it may not leave you saving it as a blank. But as a whole, this description field is extremely important, and we are now just starting. So start capturing as much information as you can during the call. Maybe you need to add the email addresses here. You can add multiple email addresses like this. But gradually we will teach you all the features of this database whenever we are going to use it. So that's how you store some basic information about a client on this platform.